Welcome to my channel. This is Bill Dube. It's the Bill Dube Variety Channel, where we cook, we camp, we create, we critique, and we climb. Climb is metaphorical for physical activity. This week is creation. So let's get to it. Here's a quick recap. Creating earrings. And now that you've had the quick recap, let's slow things down a little. Actually, we're going to go at 6 times speed here. I decided that it would be better to do it that way. Here I am laying out the bead board, showing you the different beads. The new pliers. You need 2 pliers to do this. These are sterling silver ear wires that I purchased. I'm having a little bit of difficulty, but I did manage to get them open. Closing them back up, putting the first earring bead on. These are ceramic Indian art beads that came off a vintage necklace. Onto the second one. I had over 30 minutes of footage here. It just made sense to run it at a faster speed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. The reason why I'm doing 2 pairs of earrings here are simple. Once you've done your first pair, the second pair takes about 1/4 the amount of time. It had been over a year since I've done any earrings. I'm not even using totally the right pliers right now. These pliers do work. They have a round nose plier that would have worked a little bit better. That I actually had. I have every plier under the sun for making jewelry. And I'm looking for beads and pins. These are the pins that I needed to go on the bottom bead. I slipped the beads on. Later on I found that while I was trying to maneuver the wire started pulling through the beads, so I had to start all over again and figure out another way to do it. Also, I need a better positioned camera in the future. Much of what happened was off frame. Sorry about that. That last pair of pliers was a wire straightener because I wanted to reuse the pin. No sense throwing them all out. That is actually a fishing plier right there, a zircon, the green pliers. It's for putting leads on fishing wire. Also works well for making jewelry. There's our earrings, and I'm going crazy looking for something to put on the bottom there. I can't figure out what. There's my garbage. Put that in the bead board also. Doing jewelry, it helps to do it all the time and have your jewelry laid out. That bead board there, I couldn't remember where I had put it. It took me almost 15-20 minutes just to find that. Those were glass beads if you saw them up in the upper right. I'm back. I found black beads. Those are nice glass black beads that I bought over at Walmart. We have something that'll work. Yay, a winner. I've also used that fishing pliers, and now we're going to snip that off. Oh, we did it so fast. It's amazing how much faster it is, 5 times speed. Now we're going to rip through. This is the bottom bead we're putting on here. We've already put on all the ear wires. Clip, do the hoop, bring it around, put the bead on, zircon pliers, bring it over close enough for government work, close enough. You don't have to worry so much about the sharp edge on the snip because nobody's ever going to get to that. Here are, I guess you could call them stops. I forgot the name of them, but anyways, they're plastic. You buy them, you get about 100 of them. They keep your ear wire from falling out of your ear. They're worth their weight in gold, actually, as far as saving earrings over the course of time. It's amazing how fast I can make jewelry when you're going 5 times speed. There we go, another bead. Bring it around, snip it, bring the other bead up to it, marry them together, and close the hoop. It's that fast and that simple. Not happy with it? There we go. Put the ear guard on. Here we have 2 pairs of earrings. They look nice. They're ready to give. One way you can give earrings is you can put them in your hands and say, here darling, here's some earrings. For a couple of bucks or $1 or so, you could get yourself a box, put the earrings in, and it helps not to make big earrings like these because these will take up the whole box. They look nice, and I think I paid probably about $12 or $13 for 100 of these. All set, ready to go. Every day this side of the dirt is a great day. Go out there, have some fun, stay COVID safe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell. And check out this video over here. I heard it's going to be a real good one. Thank you. Have a great day. And thank you for watching.